I'm Samantha, the development chef here at Henley Bridge, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Sosa Pro Pannacotta. For all the tools and ingredients used, please see the video description. The Sosa Pro Pannacotta is a gelling agent that has a delicate soft set. It's very important that we always use microscales when we're weighing it out, as the dosage is 2 to 15 grams per kilo. The product comes from seaweed, so it's completely natural. Therefore, with a few minor adjustments, we can make this recipe vegan friendly. It's also neutral in flavour, so we can use it across sweet and savoury recipes. So let's start by weighing out our ingredients. We've mixed together our Pro Pannacotta and our sugar. This helps us to prevent lumps in our panna cotta. Now we're going to add all the ingredients to the pan. As with most gelling agents, we add our Pro Pannacotta in our cold or room temperature liquid and bring it up to the boil to activate. Now that our mixture is boiled, we're going to pour it out into a plastic jug and let it sit for a minute. We're now going to pour out our mixture into our pre-prepared tart rings. If you do have any air bubbles on the surface, you can just take your blowtorch and blow them away. Finally, transfer these to the fridge to let them set for approximately 20 minutes.